Good day everyone, I am Darlison Iglesia, a student of Bachelor of Science in Electrical Engineering at Don Mariano Marcos Memorial State University. In this video, I will present a simple solution to an op-amp circuit problem, focusing on passer form and gain. The purpose of this tutorial is to make the concept easier to understand. So, let's begin.
Ang sabi dito, if Rf is equal to R1 is equal to 1 k ohms in the circuit problem of 3.29, which is ito, find the other resistance value so that voltage output is equal to V1 plus V2. Note that the result is true in general if R is equal to Rf is equal to R1 is equal to R2. So, the first condition is Rf is equal to R1 is equal to 1 k ohms. Pero dapat naka-passer form siya. Ano nga bang passer form? Passer form is a way of representing sinusoidal signals like AC voltage and current using complex numbers instead of time-based equation. Ito yung mga merong magnitude at angle like 100 angle of 120, 120 angle of 180, ganon. So in this case, siguro ang gagamitin ko is yung RF natin. Saan ko lalagay? Dito na lang. RF is equal to R1 is equal to ano gagamitin natin, guys? So siguro 120 angle of 90 na lang. So next, we find the voltage of the non-inverting terminals. Kung familiar kayo sa voltage divider rule, yan. So V is equal to R2 over R1 plus R2 V1 plus R1 over R1 plus R2 V2. Ayan. Sorry, excuse me. Next, look at the